We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Canon ImageClass mf743cdw. So the first thing is, go ahead and pull your tray out. Here you will see these little tabs. These are going to be your max level indicators. You never want to fill over that, as it can cause the rollers to pick up too many pieces of paper, which will cause a jam, or it won't pick it up at all because it's too tight. Another thing is your adjustments. You want to make sure these are in the correct place for the correct size of paper that you are trying to print on. Another thing is you never want to just take paper and just put it in the tray. If you do, it can cause these papers to curl when the rollers try to pick up the paper. So what I like to do is take out my old paper, and then I take my new paper, combine it, then you want to fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air will cause the pages to stick together. So once you fan it out, go ahead and realign it again. Then you should be good to go. If you are constantly seeing jams, or after you cleared it still says that you have a jam, you may want to go ahead and give us a call. It may be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.